Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I promised you a TreLuxe review, and that is what we're going to be talking about today, as well as me showing you guys how I did this hairstyle. So if you're nosy like me and want to know more, then just keep on watching. So this is actually my third time using these products to style my hair, so I really think I got a good feel on how I like it and how the stuff works. So I'm just gonna kind of chat through the products while you guys watch me do my hair. Starting off with the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. So this is like a thin, lightweight formula. I think my hair generally likes it, but I do need to use a lot of it. So in this case, I use 3 pumps per section. I probably would not be able to use this product by itself, but it definitely is great for detangling, which is good because that is one of the things that is literally called out on the bottle. As far as the scent goes, it definitely has a fruity smell to it, and it's not fruit like natural fruit, but it's fruity like candy. So it smells really good, like Starburst or something. Then we have the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream, which is definitely my favorite product out of all 3 that I tried. This one has a really thick texture, and y'all know I live for a thick cream. It's super, super moisturizing, and this one you can really smell the apricot and the marshmallow, which, oh my gosh, it just smells so good. I don't even know how to describe it. Just know the smell is amazing. It is definitely everything that I hope for in a cream. Like, it leaves my hair feeling moisturized, it leaves my hair looking moisturized. It just works. Then of course I have the Reflex Curl Styling Serum, which is supposed to be a lightweight gel, and it definitely lives up to its name. It is super lightweight. It has flexible hold according to the bottle. I personally am not a fan of the hold. I feel like it doesn't leave my hair as defined as I would like it to, but obviously that's because the texture is not as thick as gels that I'm used to, like Eco Styler and things of that nature. It has a decent hold for the product that it is. Like, flexible hold, I definitely have flexible hold. I was able to do the wash and go that you guys saw in my skincare routine video. After a few workouts, I feel like my curls still were in a decent place. So I wouldn't knock it 100%, but this definitely is one of the products that after this, I probably wouldn't use again, just because I know that there are other better gels out there that do more of what I'm looking for. This one definitely smells the most hair product-y, if that's a word, but it does still smell fruity. Like, this one has more of a coconut scent, and I believe all of these products have coconut ingredients in them. So this gel has coconut water, the leave-in conditioner has coconut milk, and the cream has coconut oil. So if you're not a fan of coconut, then maybe these products wouldn't work for you. For me, my hair doesn't really have anything against any kind of product. It just does what it does. All 3 of these products retail for about 20 bucks. You can find it a little cheaper depending on where you shop. I actually know that right now Walgreens has a sale where they are buy one get one 50% off. So if you happen to see this video, that sale is going on through the 29th of this month. The products are definitely a little on the pricey side, I would say, but for the quality, I think it's worth it for some of the products. For example, the cream is like this huge 8-ounce jar. I definitely feel like I can get so many uses out of it, and for 20 bucks, that's like a really good deal. On the other hand, the products that I wouldn't use as often, like the Reflex Lightweight Gel, obviously, I feel like $20 is too much just because it's not something that is like blowing my socks off. I got my products from Whole Foods, so I know that they sell them at Whole Foods as well. But Whole Foods, again, is on the expensive side. So if you can find them at your local Walgreens, I would most likely buy it from there. Or you can buy it directly from the website, where they're between $18 and $22, I think I saw. Overall, I generally like the products. Don't think I would be using all 3 of them together. Definitely am going to use the heck out of the cream, and probably won't use the Reflex gel anymore. As far as the leave-in conditioner, I can see myself just using the rest of it, but I don't think it would be something that I would repurchase just because, and this one just so happened to be one of those that did not blow me away. I don't know, leave-in creams for me, they just kind of They're just like there. I haven't found one that like really blows me away yet. I know that they have a few other products within this brand, so if you guys have tried anything else that they have, let me know in the comments how you like it, how it worked, all that good stuff. I'm gonna see if I can get my hands on some of it, and maybe I'll be able to do a review on those things. But look at these curls, and that was just with the leave-in. So I feel like if you use enough of the leave-in, it is going to be amazing. But I just think I shouldn't need to use that much product on one section of hair. Anyway, this is what my hair is looking like once it's done. I did 5 twists and 1 braid on the side. I did go ahead and add really tiny perm rods to my ends just because they were not staying. And now it's the next day. I sat under a dryer for a little while because I ended up doing my hair late last night, so it was still wet. You definitely want to make sure that your hair is 100% dry. Mine was not, but it was dry enough for me to go ahead and complete the process. I'm going to use some avocado oil to help me take down my twist without causing too much frizz.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending.
And now for my braid, I'm just adding some gold jewelry. You can also add gold string, which I bought. I just was too lazy to get up and go get it. And then I'm just gonna bobby pin the end of my braid down to the back of my hair so that it's out of the way. And it'll give me kind of this cool side swept hairstyle.
You can give anything, so you can go, yeah. So I can focus, I just need to focus on myself.
And this is the final look, guys. I love the hairstyle. Definitely don't think it's gonna last for me just because I have been working out like crazy. But if it wasn't for that, I can definitely get a good week out of this. What y'all think? Y'all like it? So there you have it, guys. That's my review of the TreLuxe products. That's how I did this hairstyle. If you guys have used these products and you love them, let us know in the comments. And of course, if you didn't love them, that's okay too. Let us know that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. And since you're here, subscribe, watch a video.